happy Vlogmas day 1. I just got off work and I'm headed to Target to do some Christmas decoration shopping. I haven't been this season, so I'm very excited to go poke around and see what they have. I don't know if I'll actually get anything, but it felt like a fun, festive thing to do on the first day of Vlogmas, considering I really don't have much of a day left. I'm gonna go home after this, make some dinner, do a bunch of work because I'm trying really hard to get a lot of stuff done because I go to Chicago on Friday. Wait, how cute are these? I'm trying to justify what I buy because I really don't need a lot. We're not even usually home for most of the holidays, but look how cute these are. These can be put away very easily. One for me, one for Donnie. How much are they? Oh, they're $5. I play that game in my head where like, if they're more than so much, I won't get them. I said in my head, if they're more than $5, I won't get them. But they're only $5. Maybe I'll get them. They're kind of cute. What do you think? I'm walking away from the mugs because they're not big enough. I wish they were like massive mugs, but they're like not even enough for like a real cup of tea. So we're moving onwards to the towels and stuff. I could do some cute little towels for our kitchen. We actually don't have towels, so this would be practical. Problem is Donnie always makes them really dirty really fast, but you could do something cute like that, like little candy cane ones. Problem is I always buy like colors and that's the issue, but look how cute those are. Okay, not holidays at all, but I shrunk our shower curtain. So do I get the same one as before, which did work very well and was very cute, or do I get a different one? There's a lot of options, but I think this one's good. All right, robes. I want a white one. I think I'm just gonna get this one. It's not that expensive and I want something to tide me over. I'll find a perfect one at some point, but let's get this for now. Okay, we're officially entering the real Christmas area. I am scheming to get a fake tree. Not today because I don't want to lug it home with me. I'll probably order it online, but I'm trying to figure out the right height. This is $100 for a 7.5 foot, which is probably the right height for our room. But we could also do a 6 foot, which would probably be fine too. I don't really know where we would put it. We definitely have room. I just have to like carve out a corner of the living room for it. But kind of sad they don't have more decorations here. They have so much online, but online shopping just isn't the same for this sort of a thing. I'm gonna circle back to the mugs. I think I'm gonna get this one because this is like actually a nice big mug. And then this one. The other ones have like cheesy sayings on them, which you don't like, but they're really cute ones. Like these are just too small, so let's get the big ones. Just got back, so let's unload and I'll do a little haul. Not that you already don't know what I got. The first thing is this beautiful bathrobe. Can't wait to wear that tomorrow morning with my little slippers. So cozy. Then a new shower curtain, very exciting. The one in our bathroom is so sad. Laundry detergent, my favorite is Meyer's. This brand is just so good. Some honey because we were all out. And then our 2 little cups, so cute. So I'm just going to change out of my work clothes. This is my outfit for the day. A little skirt and a little Abercrombie top, some tights, and then I had my booties on. And now I'm just gonna put on leggings to be comfy. Okay, I have to wash this because it's been at Target, but I think this is pretty good. It's not quite as like thick and cozy as I wanted, but it's still pretty nice, so I think I'll keep it, and it'll be like a good weight for the summer too. It's like not too heavy, so I think I'll keep it, but then probably try to find an even thicker, cozier one for the winter. But I need a full-length mirror. Look how long it is. So cozy. I'm just settling in to work for the rest of the evening and then hopefully find time to edit Vlogmas day 1, which I'm hoping to have up on on December 1st this year. So fingers crossed that will go up tomorrow morning. But I just thought I would quickly give you guys the rundown of what Vlogmas is going to look like this year. So similar to the last few years, I'm going to be doing daily vlogs the entire month, but I'm gonna upload a weekly vlog for the work week and then daily vlogs for the weekend. So you'll be getting probably like 3 videos a week. I am never perfect at this, but I try my best and it's so much fun. Yeah, that's what's to expect for this month of vlogs. In terms of fun things that are happening this month, first of all, I'm going to Chicago on Friday. I fly back Sunday night with my mom, then go to New York the following Tuesday through Friday for work. It's our annual holiday party, so we're going to New York because we have an office in New York as well. So that's gonna be exciting. And yeah, at some point we'll go home to Santa Cruz for the holidays like we always do. We'll get our Christmas tree and all of that good stuff. But for right now, I'm just gonna settle in and get to work because I have a bunch to do and I'm trying to go to bed early tonight because I am exhausted.